Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video with DIYs by Carolina. So first, let me start by saying Happy New Year! Happy New Year, you guys. I hope everyone is having a blessed and safe holiday season. I am so excited to see what 2023 has in store for all of us. Under the sun. So as you guys can see from the title of this video, we're actually going to be DeChristmasing. We're going to be taking all of my Christmas decorations down and we're going to be decorating my home for the winter season. So hello winter. So I am super excited. I've decided that I want to actually do something a little bit more on the neutral side for the winter season. So I'm sticking with a lot of your whites and creams and things of that nature. But I definitely want to keep everything nice, warm, and cozy. So I'm super excited to have all the decorations finally gone. Oh my goodness. I love Christmas, but you know, it's like when a family member comes and visit, you love to see them come, but then you love to see them go. So that's sort of how I feel about Christmas right now. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, my name is Carolina, and if you are new to this channel, welcome. It's wonderful having you guys here. And of course, to all of my existing subscribers, welcome back, you guys. It is always, and I do mean always, a pleasure having you guys here. right now, I still haven't quite found what I wanted, so I'm just leaving the hook there as a reminder that I do want to add a wreath to that door. So I do want to mention right quickly that all of the decorations that's being used in today's video If you are enjoying today's video, then please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. And to all of my new viewers, welcome you guys, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if this is the type of content you enjoy, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. On this channel, I will say that you can find a little bit of everything. From DIY makeovers, whether it's in the home or in the yard, to clean with me's, decorate with me's, even baking. So you guys, I do offer quite a few different content on this channel, and I hope you guys enjoy today's video and have a happy new year. Bye now.
It's so